the US Senate just pulled off a political plot twist no one expected. A bill that could let millions of Americans keep more of their money by erasing taxes on their tips just flew through the Senate without a single no vote. That's right, unanimous. And it could put up to $25,000 back in the pockets of working-class Americans. So what's really behind this lightning-fast move? Who's benefiting? And is there a catch? Let's break it all down. The Senate passed the No Tax on Tips Act, and it didn't just squeak by. It was unanimous. Not one senator objected, not even the usual suspects. The bill, introduced by Republican Senator Ted Cruz, got a massive bipartisan boost thanks to Nevada Democrats Jackie Rosen and Catherine Cortez Masto, and was suddenly fast-tracked with no opposition. Normally, tax bills take weeks or months to fight through Congress. This one passed in minutes.
We have a very unified House and we have a very unified Senate.
So, what's actually in this thing? If you're a bartender, server, delivery driver, or anyone else making tips, and you earn less than $160,000 a year, you could soon deduct up to $25,000 in cash tips from your federal income taxes. There's just one rule: the tips must be reported through payroll. That means no shady backroom handoffs. Uncle Sam still wants a paper trail. The $160,000 income cap will also adjust with inflation every year. Sound familiar? That's because this was a Trump campaign promise, one he made directly to voters in Nevada last year.
We are going to let you keep 100% of your tip income and not be harassed. Nobody ever heard of this concept before, and it's something that makes a lot of sense.
Now, despite all the political chaos in D.C., this Trump-endorsed tax cut just got a standing ovation from Democrats. Even Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer, yes, Schumer, cheered it on, saying, "Working Americans, not billionaires, deserve tax relief." Ted Cruz called it a rare bipartisan win in a divided era, but not everyone is celebrating. Critics, especially labor advocates, are warning this could backfire. They say it props up a broken system where workers rely on customer generosity instead of fair, reliable wages. Some economists argue it won't help many of the lowest income workers, who already pay little or no income tax to begin with. And others fear that shady employers might start misclassifying wages as tips just to dodge taxes. In short, it's being called a temporary fix for a much bigger wage problem. The bill heads to the House of Representatives, where Republicans are trying to include it in a massive Trump-backed economic package. But given the overwhelming support in the Senate, they might pass it separately. Fast. If that happens, no tax on tips could be signed into law within weeks. And that means tax season 2026 could look very different for millions of tipped workers. So, is this a rare victory for working-class Americans? Or just another flashy promise with hidden fine print? Let us know what you think in the comments. Should tips be tax-free? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because when politics gets wild, we bring the truth straight to your feed. If you want to support the channel and get something useful in return, check out the affiliate links in the description. Every click helps us keep bringing you stories that matter.